you like some help moving?
I don't think you can on that.
Oh, okay. I see what it is.
Oh. I see you.
I want to write some
Hang it
extras.
on the table.
No, we got it. No, we got it.
I'm just making sure, man. Caution. Super fast.
Oh, that is nice.
I'm gonna throw up when I watch this video and I hear my voice in
I
it.
literally said that. I literally said
Wait, you said it can be wireless.
It can be wired and wireless. You can use Bluetooth.
It's a USB
For what?
charging
It's
cable.
keyboard.
Your keyboard can be wireless?
Yeah, it's
As
Bluetooth.
a Bluetooth option.
Huh.
And it's a USB-C.
Wait, it also has a charging cable to charge it.
Wait, that's just a cable
Okay.
that you plug into your PC. I would not use the wireless. Because it would be worse for your
Also,
screen
there's
time.
literally no point.
It would be bad for gaming.
There's no point. Why would you want it wireless?
Because if you're stupid.
Hard drive.
Okay, hard drive, I see it.
This is all of your permanent memory,
Alright.
not your random access memory, which is the RAM, which
Yeah.
is this.
Yes, of course.
Short-term memory, long-term memory.
That's what you like inside the games on. That's going to be your C drive, right? The C drive.
M.2 by Crucial. That'll go on the motherboard. Motherboard, the heart of the system.
Right, yeah, duh.
But the first thing we're going to do is do the power supply
Oh, yeah.
at the bottom, because all of the connections that come out of it.
How much
is
more?
over there.
How much more was the 650?
I don't know, we got yours probably $50. It's 20 more bucks.
Dang.
I mean, there's a lot. There's probably 150 to 200 watts in here he doesn't need. But
Ugh, it's on my finger.
Why not, dude?
if you did this right and organized your purchase and made sure you did compatibility correct, then this should just fall right in there.
Imagine getting a free vote.
Cringe.
Free vote cringe.
What, just because you got a dad and knows how to do it?
I know.
Wait, that.
What's up?
Wait, what about the PC in the basement? You built that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About everything.
How much was that one?
About the same price, right?
Because I don't even remember you building it.
They were all about the same price.
But that one's a bit older, though.
Like 2 years, 2.5.
Yeah.
This is paved neck.
You got it?
Nope.
Oh, my.
For the screws.
Oh my god.
One, two, three, four, five. All right, that's better.
Say it again.
AMD Ryzen 5 3600.
AMD.
Ryzen 5.
Ryzen, how do you spell that?
RYZEN. This thing.
Ryzen 5.
More importantly, this thing, while you're texting your friend,
I'm just telling something.
and you have to do this absolutely 100% properly, or it's not going to work.
Okay. Yeah, I see the corner that's different.
That corner has to be aligned with the corner that's different here.
Yeah.
Which one is it?
It looks like that one.
Nope, wrong. Dead computer, waste of $1,000.
Oh, I see. I see now.
That one.
Nope,
No, it's
wrong.
not.
Dead
It's
computer,
top
wasted $1,000.
Here. Still.
Why do you know for sure?
Because it's different.
That's right, it is different. How's it different?
It has like an an arrow kind of thing. It's a triangle right there.
There's an arrow there too. An arrow there.
No. It's a distinct.
It's got the same pin pattern as that. This is an angled pin pattern. This is a cornered pin pattern.
Right. Yes, exactly.
And if it's wrong, it won't drop in there.
Wait.
Bingo.
A really dead one, like a dead computer, like.
The whole thing will not work. It's broken.
Wait, so it's broken for forever?
Bye bye motherboard.
Really?
That's correct.
Damn. You can do it.
Now this is a rectangle and only goes on one way. And these are here for a different kind, so you have to pull these off. Alright, so now you gotta start plugging in power.
Yeah, I think you have it.
So that says CPU fan right there, so I'm gonna do that.
Right.
Ripjaws with this cool sticker.
I'll put this on my piece.
Only goes one way. If you try to do it this way, it's not gonna line up with that little chip.
Okay.
You gotta do it that way so it lines up with that. Yeah, that is touching. You push it down and it closes that little thing right there and you're good. It is definitely touching.
That's okay though, right?
Nah, it's not ideal.
Shouldn't be a big deal.
I don't know. That end only goes in one way there as well, right? See the angle. And it should rest on here and here. Oh, the second and the third one. 2 and 3.
God, where is that box? Like, how's all those wires in it?
I don't know.
It was on the one room in the basement, but now it's not there. What's next after this?
All right. That's in. Everything's in. That's important.
But yeah, like this adapter they give us is backwards. Like it should be 2 of these and 1 of those, but it's just the opposite.
You think so, or do you?
Pretty sure. That's what Logan thinks.